We are StockPulse Silver Symposium number 3. We're in Las Vegas at Caesars Palace, and I've got Mike Allen. He's the CEO of StrikePoint, SKP Toronto Venture Exchange, STKXF in the OTC markets in the state. Mike, thanks for making the trip. I really appreciate the support. And yeah, let's tell everybody about StrikePoint here. Not quite a silver story, but looking for some gold. So let's talk about it.
Well, we are the home team, so it was fairly easy to come down to Nevada. What we have in StrikePoint is we've got the curate Gold project. It's actually an analog to probably the most exciting discovery in Nevada in probably the last 10 or 20 years, which is AngloGold Silicon discovery. Geologist, bit of a lot of the similarities, big alteration footprint at surface, similar structural setting. The only real significant difference is that curate is a bigger alteration signature at surface than AngloGold Silicon. The AngloGold Silicon deposit is a defined resource of about 4.2 million ounces, so if we're lucky and the geological gods are with us, we'll be on to a very significant discovery here in Nevada.
Yeah, the geological gods, those are funny sometimes. Downtrodden market, bottom of silver, gold's been hammered, nowhere to go but up here, opportunities galore. So yeah, let's really dig in here. Let's kind of carve out a message here, I guess, for shareholders. What are they getting here, a new investor and a current shareholder that's in the deal right now?
Well, current shareholder, people need to know about the company. The way that we've set it up is we've installed what I call the 3 pillars. We've got a backstop of value within the company. That's the existing high-grade silver resources that are up in BC. It's about a 700 gram per ton silver resource, 12.5 million ounces. We've got an exploration upside. That's the curate project in Nevada, and we've got a management team that's done it before. We've got Sean Kuhn, who is the CEO of Dolly Varden. He's the executive chairman, and then the management team is a fellow by the name of Paulo Santos. He's the CFO and I. We used to run a company called Northern Empire. We took a company from a 15-cent share price to $1.64. We did that in 16 months and then made an exit, went out at the all-time high of the share price, made every shareholder that had ever owned a stick of stock the opportunity to make money. And that's what we look to do again with StrikePoint.
Yeah, let's do it again here. So what are the ingredients here? You got a market here that's probably about ready to bounce.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's talk about where you're at in the game of progress.
Okay, so curate is it's an early stage project. We've done a lot of the cheap stuff, the grunt work is a good way to describe it. The geophysics, the soil.
Qualify the target, sure.
Qualify the targets. And now we're looking forward to Q4, Q1 of next year, we're going to be out there drilling. It's going to depend on driller availability, but one thing that is really good with the Silicon discovery, and we're only 75 kilometers away, is that there's a lot of activity, there's a lot of drill availability, and so we should be able to get a driller out there and be testing this target sometime soon.
Give me a big catalyst here. Investors walking by, they want to get involved. Give them the absolute reason to be in here.
I think that the chance of a game-changing discovery in Nevada.
You've done it before.
I've done it before, and that's the part of it that is really important for people. We've done this before, created wealth for shareholders, and I think that one of the big things about Nevada discoveries versus just about anywhere else in the world is there is a Nevada premium. Nevada is the #1 jurisdiction for mining on the planet. There isn't a mining company in the world that doesn't like Nevada. And so if you make a discovery, it gets a premium to it because there's a lot of suitors to it for eventual takeout or taking it all the way into production.
A lot of news flow coming?
Yep, we're going to be active. We're starting to push a little bit. We were quiet over the summertime as we were just getting our ducks in the row for the groundwork, and now we're starting to come out of the box, out of our shell, and we'll be hitting the ground running. First conference of the year was here down at the Silver Symposium.
Well, we sure appreciate you coming, and thanks for the support.
No worries.
That's Mike Allen. He's the CEO of StrikePoint, SKP Toronto Venture Exchange, STKXF, OTC markets in the state. Mike, thanks for that update. Thanks for the support.
No worries.